meu taxista, bueno, de rickshaw acaba de parar para ir a pedir un té. Para los dos. Ahí ven. Thank you.
Welcome.
Whoa, that's hot.
This is the masala chai.
Masala chai. Say hi to the camera.
Hi.
So you're not drinking?
No, I also drinking, but they're making.
Oh, okay. I see.
But they're making business, but they sell it.
Okay.
I can drink many times, no problem.
Is this your favorite place?
This is the Indian cafe.
Okay. I like the atmosphere. You know, there's a lot of people here.
Yeah.
Let's go. Wow.
During a soul time, choosing your battle. Pick yourself up and dust yourself off and back in the saddle. You're on the front line, everyone's watching. You know it's serious, we're getting closer, this isn't over. Pressure's on, feel it, you got it all.
You like Shakira? Yeah.
Every people like Shakira.
Yeah.
This time for Africa.
Esto es para Rocío. That's beautiful.
This gate name is Ajmeri Gate.
Ajmeri.
And Pink City is starting from here. Pink City around 7 kilometers.
Okay.
And 7 is like big gate.
Okay. So this is the old city.
Old
right?
city. And sorry, name is the Pink City but orange color.
Yeah. That is true. Let's see it.
This is the water place.
Oh. I see. Yeah.
After we come, then stop.
Okay. Sto no Amberfort. Está na vila de Amer. Realmente se chama Forte de Amer, non Amber, que é o color ámbar, pero a xente agora chamalle Amberfort en lugar de Amerfort. Aí se pode ver o forte, that's the Amberfort, and there's some people going by elephant. I'm doing the old school walking, vou camiñar como esta xente, and there's a lot of steps to climb. This is a UNESCO World Heritage Site since 2013, and I think it was built in the 16th century, although the origin is way older than that. Digo que foi construído no século XVI, según Lin, pero que as orixes son moito máis antigas que iso. E a xente está subindo en elefante, vou subir a pata, ou seja, a xente, algunha xente, a maioría da xente está subindo a pata como a mí. Y las vistas desde aquí también van a ser espectaculares. Arriba supongo que más. This palace is made of marble and limestone. Está feito de mármore e de arenisca, creo que é o seu nome da rocha. Esta máis vermella. Look at how beautiful Hindu Muslim architecture. It's very hot, é moi vai moita calor e toda a xente está á sombra, por suposto. There's a lot of people and they are all seeking the shade. Look at these ceilings and walls. How impressive. They are made with mirrors. Están feitos de espellos estas paredes. Estes teitos. E aquí hai outro claustro. This is the part behind where I was just now. Let's see if we can see inside. Hay un can aquí. There's a dog in the middle of the fort. Interesting.